These old videos hold countless precious memories. However, due to the limitations of early recording technology, many of them are often blurry, noisy, and have poor lighting. But don't worry. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to restore these old videos using Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Now, open Edimakor, go to AI Toolbox and select Video Enhancer. Here, you'll find that Edimakor provides several specialized video restoration modes, including old home movies, low-light environment, and black and white film. First, let's try the old home movies mode. Import your video footage, adjust the resolution settings, and click Generate. This clip has issues with low resolution and blurry details. After enhancement, you can see that the noise has been significantly reduced. Next, let's test an old black and white video. Upload your video, adjust the resolution, and click Generate. As you can see, the original black and white footage has been transformed into a colorful video. Finally, let's test the low light environment mode. Upload a nighttime video, adjust the resolution, and click Generate. The final result is much brighter and clearer, with more hidden details restored from the dark areas. And that's it for today's tutorial. Download Edimakor now and explore even more powerful features.